What's up, guys? I'm going to be going into a little secret of mine towards the end of this video, but before I go into that, subscribe, like, and comment in the comment section anything that you would like to see me do as far as hydraulics are concerned. Anything that you are unclear about, anything that I can make a video about, make sure that you leave it in the comments below. Also, in the description, you'll notice that I have posted links to TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram of all of our different shenanigans that we put out there to try and expand our lowrider community and all the fun stuff with lowriders. So, before I go into the secret, one more thing. There are a lot of different guys out there that are trying to promote and get their names out there and to also help the lowrider community, such as Alex from Hoppos, such as Cadillac Dan, RJ Tickler, and obviously you've got the champ, Pinky. He's got his own channel. Go into all of their different ones. They're going to be posted in the description below. Go to their pages, subscribe to theirs as well. Anything we can do to help broaden the lowrider community and all the knowledge that you can put out there, that is the ultimate goal. Now, time for the secret. Here's my secret. If you have subscribed to my channel as well as subscribing to other channels, you'll know that there is not a ton of information out there, and sometimes it can be hard to find what you're looking for, an answer to a specific question. Here's my ultimate goal, and here is my little secret. I plan to make a video for just about everything I can possibly get my hands on to try and answer every possible question. So one day, you don't have to ask any more questions in the comments section. I'll have a video for literally everything. So, I know that doesn't seem like much of a secret to you, but it is my secret in game. So, make sure that you have subscribed, liked, shared, and make sure that you comment. Even if you're just saying, hey, what's up? Doesn't matter what you're saying. Make sure that you put a comment in the comments section, and it helps me to grow my YouTube and make additional videos.